Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn Mode Lab, where learning new skills is quick and easy. Today, I'll show you how to record your Zoom meetings, whether you're a host, a student, or just want to save your calls for later. Let's get started. First, open Zoom and start or join a meeting. Now, look at the bottom of your Zoom window. You'll see a button that says Record. If you're the host, just click it, and the recording will start right away. If you're not the host, you'll need permission to record. Ask the host to go to Participants, then your name, then Allow Record. Once they do that, you'll be able to click Record too. When the meeting ends, Zoom automatically saves your recording. If you're using the desktop app, it will appear in your Documents/Zoom folder. If you're using Zoom Cloud Recording, available on paid plans, you can find it in your Zoom web portal/recordings. And that's it! You've just learned how to record your Zoom meetings step by step.